the Rubbermaid Commercial Products Food, Meat Instant Read. Thermometer is a reliable and versatile tool that delivers accurate temperature readings in a matter of seconds. Designed by the trusted brand Rubbermaid Commercial Products, this thermometer is an essential addition to any kitchen or food preparation area. With its sleek red color and sturdy stainless steel construction, the thermometer not only looks professional but also ensures durability and longevity. The compact size and 5-inch length make it easy to handle and store, while the included battery powers the thermometer for convenient and hassle-free operation. One of the key features of this product is its instant read functionality, providing fast and accurate temperature readings for various food items. Whether you're grilling steaks, roasting a chicken, or checking the temperature of a sauce, this thermometer allows you to monitor the progress and ensure that your food is cooked to perfection.
The Ascali AH1 Stainless steel oven safe meat thermometer is an exceptional product that offers reliable and accurate temperature readings for your cooking needs. One of the standout features of this thermometer is its oven-safe design. This means that you can leave it in the oven while your food is cooking, allowing you to monitor the internal temperature without opening the oven door or disturbing the cooking process. This feature is particularly useful for roasts, poultry, and other dishes that require precise temperature control. The thermometer's analog display provides clear and easy-to-read temperature readings, making it suitable for everyone, regardless of their level of expertise in the kitchen. The stainless steel construction not only ensures durability, but also adds a sleek and professional touch to the overall design. As a versatile tool, the Ascali AH1 is not limited to oven use. It can be used for grilling. The ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer is a versatile and reliable tool that every home cook or professional chef should have. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I can confidently say that this product is worth considering. One of the standout features of the ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer is its waterproof design. This means you can confidently use it without worrying about accidental spills or splashes. The orange color adds a touch of style to the overall design, making it easy to locate in a busy kitchen. The thermometer is made from stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. It meets the specification standards set by NSF, guaranteeing that it meets the necessary requirements for use in a professional kitchen environment. The LCD display type provides clear and accurate temperature readings with ease. With its fast response time of just 3 seconds, you can rely on this thermometer to quickly and accurately measure.
The Taylor Large, 2.5-inch dial. Kitchen cooking oven. Thermometer is a reliable and essential tool for anyone who takes cooking seriously. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I can confidently say that this product offers exceptional quality and accuracy. One of the standout features of this thermometer is its large display. The 2.5-inch dial ensures that readings are easy to read, even from a distance, allowing you to monitor the temperature of your oven without any hassle. This is particularly useful when you have multiple dishes cooking simultaneously. Accuracy is paramount when it comes to cooking, and the Taylor Oven Thermometer delivers just that. With its high accuracy, you can trust that the temperature displayed is precise, enabling you to achieve optimal cooking results every time. This is especially important for delicate recipes that require a specific temperature range. The sleek silver color and stainless steel outer material not only give the thermometer
The Taylor 5932 Large Dial Kitchen Cooking Oven. Thermometer is a reliable and accurate tool that every adult should have in their kitchen. Its large display, fast reading system, and high accuracy make it a standout product in the market. The silver color of this thermometer gives it a sleek and professional look. It blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor, adding a touch of elegance to your cooking space. The stainless steel outer material not only enhances its durability, but also ensures that it remains free from any stains or discoloration. One of the key features of the Taylor 5932 is its large dial, which allows for easy reading. Whether you're checking the temperature of your oven, grill, or smoker,
You can quickly glance at the dial and get accurate readings. This makes it a user-friendly tool, especially for those who are new to cooking or baking. The fast reading system of this thermometer is a time saver in the kitchen.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.